Welcome to Doctor's Corner. I'm Eldon Dahl, and today we're going to talk about the third hardest licensed product we have, next to Thyrodyne and Kava, which are both available with videos, so please check them out. The product we were going to talk about is our B complex, and we call it the next generation B complex because it's so advanced. Health Canada said to us when we approached them to have a complete, unique, plant-based B complex with no synthetic Bs. They said it wasn't possible. They said the only way to be able to license a product with your plant-based is you have to have your synthetic B vitamins. And that was just not an option to us because most of the B vitamins out there, even the B1 is all sourced from coal tar. And of course, you know what that is, a fossil fuel. Who wants to take that? So we developed this product, and it was painstaking because we had to go through all the research to prove that each B vitamin, all 8 B vitamins, were coming from plants. So what we use is spirulina. Spirulina produces several, which we will get into. We have shiitake mushrooms. And we have a whole host. It's actually a super multivitamin. That's how advanced it is. And because it's so advanced, we're going to break this into 2 segments. We're going to talk right now on the B complex and the separate Bs. Have you ever tried a B complex and you look for the results by seeing the color of your urine go yellow? Actually, when we introduced the next generation B complex, we had people phone us and says, your product's not working because my urine isn't turning yellow. Now, how sad is that? That the people look to find the results of a product. Now, here's what the body says. I know you've heard the story. People say, well, because the B vitamins are water soluble, your body only uses what is necessary and discards the rest. I love that. That's not true at all. What it is, oh yeah, yes, they are water soluble. But what the body sees, this is a poison and a toxin. I'm going to eliminate it. So this is why when you, like if you were to have a steak is very rich in B vitamins. Wouldn't you be surprised if after a steak your urine goes yellow? Why is that? Because it's a food, and foods absorb. We made a chart here, and this is very fascinating, this chart. And we compared the bioavailability and absorption between a synthetic B vitamin and a natural plant-based one. Now I'll post this onto the video. And so B1, now you'll look at that and you'll say, boy, it only produces 12.5 milligrams of B1. You'll say, that's not enough. And this is why you see the B vitamins on the market today are such high dosages, because most of it is dispensed with. It's eliminated from the body. This is why they have to use anywhere from 20 to 50, even I see some out there, 100 milligrams of B vitamins. That's toxic, folks. It's very, very hard on your body to take these synthetic nutrients and absorb them. So your body has to look for enzymes, which are in short supply to begin with, to absorb these B vitamins. So you're doing yourself an injustice. So what we find here is when you have 12.5 milligrams of B1, for example, the bioavailability is 90% to the cells, and the absorption is 95%. That's almost 100%. That's just about everything. Now, when you take that same B vitamin, 25 milligram of thiamine, from a synthetic source, the bioavailability is 25%. And the absorption is 30%. So your 25 milligrams of thiamine, which you began with, is only absorbing 7.5 milligrams. So, what is stronger, the 12.5 from a food or the 25 milligram from a synthetic source? Obviously, your vitamins that you paid for is the one that's discoloring your toilet. It's a waste. You're wasting your money and you're having your body work harder to produce these B vitamins, which are essential for stress, for relaxation, and for growth and development. B vitamins are essential for vegetarians. It's very, very important. Our B vitamins come in blister packs, and the blister packs are very unique, and you'll feel an energy with these. Trust me. So don't take them with dinner at 5 or 6 later. You may not sleep. You will feel an energy with this product because it's being used, and it's used almost 100% in bioavailability. That is impressive, folks. And not only do we have the B vitamins, but we also have supporting vitamins. And I'll just give you a breakdown of what they are, and we will discuss them and go into more details when we do the second segment. One is vitamin D3 from lichen, which is a plant-based D3. And it's certified by the Vegan Society and the Vegetarian Society. It's the first one of its kind that is not relying on the oil from sheep's wool. Now, we also have B12 and methylcobalamin to support your blood sugar levels and for energy. This was Health Canada's requirements. We didn't really want to put that in. They said you got to put it in, but it's already being sourced from the spirulina. Then we have vitamin E and we have vitamin C, but these are plant-based. And in the next segment, we're going to go into detail and show you why this is so very, very important, why this product as a daily supplement is essential to your health. I'm Eldon Dahl for Doctor's Corner and the Best of Health.